Curtis?
Yeah?
Just a moment. Take a look at this.
Are you sure?
I checked it a dozen times.
This is impossible.
Well, they gave us the velocity of the meteorites and the angle of descent and the point of entry. Now, I've backtracked to see if we can establish what part of space they came from. And that's the answer.
The moon. Get me Miss Mason in Cornwall.
There is a brief moment of struggle before the connection is made, but it passes almost immediately. Control of musculature and vocal cords awkward, but adequate. You may all choose your subjects and connect.